Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites and initiating connection steps. Make sure both devices run a compatible Teamviewer version and have stable internet. This prevents handshake failures. Once verified, open Teamviewer on your machine and ask the remote user for their ID and password, or install unattended access for recurrent sessions. If installation is required, run the installer and accept admin prompts. If portable mode is used, run the executable. This immediate action gets you into the secure session establishment phase. Once done entering the remote ID, click Connect and select the appropriate authentication method. Using the temporary password is fastest for one-time sessions, while account-based access avoids repeated passwords. Make sure to choose remote control or file transfer depending on goals, and set quality vs. speed. Lower quality reduces lag on slow links. Grant any OS prompts on the remote side for screen sharing. After authentication completes, you'll see the remote desktop. Test mouse and keyboard control briefly to confirm full act. To finish, perform your tasks, then close the session with the close button and log out. Save transfer logs if you moved files. For repeat connections, set up unattended access. Assign the device to your Teamviewer account and create a personal password so you don't need temporary codes. If something goes wrong, check the basic troubleshooting items. Confirm both ID, ensure Teamviewer service is running, and inspect firewall or antivirus for blocked ports. Resolving those fixes most common failures and gets you reconnected quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.